to another episode of Pretty Healthy with Preeta. Hi everybody! One of the common problems that people all over the world face is the common flu. It is also called as the cold. Whenever there is a change in season or whenever the temperature dips or goes up, people get affected with a cold. So either it is a running nose or it's a throat ache or cough or nose block. These are problems that every single person faces. So what do we do? So my grandma used to say that my great grandma had a home remedy, and she used to make this home remedy in such a way that it did not taste or look like a medicine. It looked very interesting and really tasted delicious. Now this was something that was handed over from my great grandma to my grandma, and my grandma used to actually make me have this whenever me or my brother had a common cold, so it cleansed the lungs and also the respiratory tract. And most of the times when the whole world, in fact all the children in the school had cold, we would be hale and healthy without catching the common cold. My mom does the same for my daughter these days. So what is it that they do? Today's episode is going to focus on how to keep the lungs and the respiratory tract intact. So we are going to be looking at the ingredients that is used to make this concoction, or whatever you want to call it, a chutney, that helps in completely combating common cold. So what I have here is the climbing brinjal. It's a shrub, a creeper, and is filled with thorns. You can see them here. So before using them, what you need to do is you need to remove all the thorns. These thorns are very small in nature, so take a small knife like I'm doing and knock off the thorns before using the leafy part of the shrub. The climbing brinjal has alkaloids, saponins, flavonoids, making it a preferable plant for treatment of the common cold. The leaves contain calcium, iron, phosphorus, carbohydrates, crude fiber, and minerals. It's excellent to knock off any respiratory disorder. It's also extremely good in cleansing out the lungs, thereby helping it. Next, I have the yellow lentils. They're also called tur dal or arhar dal in Hindi. I have some oil. I am using a nut-based oil, some rice flour, peppercorns, and salt. I have used the pink Himalayan salt here, but you're free to use any other salt. Take a round bottom vessel like this. I have used an earthenware. Heat it and then oil up the bottom. You can use either a nut-based oil or sunflower oil or canola oil. Please do not use olive oil. So once the oil has heated up, what you will need to do is you will need to add the yellow lentils or the tur dal. The tur dal is a very humble piece of lentil, but it is a rich source of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. This humble pulse facilitates to meet one's daily demands of iron and calcium. Next, I'm going to add a few peppercorns. As all of you know, peppercorn is excellent antiseptic. It is also very good in killing all the germs, plus also improving the immunity. I'm adding some rice flour here to give texture to this mixture. So there goes the rice powder. Saute it really well until the rawness of the pulses go away. Next, add the climbing brinjal leaf. The climbing brinjal leaf has a very peculiar taste. So when you add it with the yellow lentils, the peppercorns, yes, here goes the salt. The pink Himalayan salt, just add a dash of that. So saute it till the rawness of the leaves go away. The smell should give you an indication. Alright, so what one does is allow it to cool for some time. So once it gets nicely cooled, we will mix it in a grinder and make it into a smooth paste or a powder. So if you add some water to it, it will become a chutney. If you're going to dry grind it, it becomes a powder, which you can use, as a side dish. You can also add it with rice, you can have it with bread, you can have it with roti. So this is how it looks. You can actually store this for over 10-15 days in an airtight container and leave it in the fridge and use it when necessary. This is excellent in improving the lung health.
So
the home remedy that we saw today that is helpful in completely negating cold is based on the climbing brinjal leaf. Now, this is something that is available in the market. If you go early in the morning to any market, you will be able to find this fresh. This is something that can be had, the concoction can be had every single week, and within 4-5 weeks you will find that your lungs are completely cleansed and that you're not catching a cold as easily as before. So please do try this at your homes, and please do write to us as to how it has helped you, how it has supported your health. I hope you found this Pretty Healthy with Preeta episode really useful and really helpful. I will see you in another episode, so please do like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please do click on the bell button. I will see you in another episode. This is Preeta signing off in Pretty Healthy with Preeta. Bye.